Hey there, welcome back to Parenting Pro Tips. Are you struggling to get your picky eater to eat their veggies? Well, today we have a treat for you. We're sharing 5 genius ways to sneak those nutritious vegetables into your child's diet. Trust me, you won't believe how easy and delicious these tricks are. Technique 1. Our first technique is all about creative meal presentation. We'll show you how to turn veggies into fun shapes and characters that your child won't be able to resist. Demonstrate cutting veggies into creative shapes and arranging them in a visually appealing way. Technique 2. Sneaking veggies into sauces and dips is another brilliant way to introduce them to your picky eater. They won't even know they're there. Demonstrate making a delicious veggie-packed pasta sauce or a creamy veggie dip. Technique 3. Did you know you can add veggies to baked goods? It's a fantastic way to incorporate that extra nutritional boost without compromising on taste. Demonstrate baking veggie-infused muffins or sneaking veggies into a smoothie. Technique 4. Hiding veggies in savory dishes is a game changer. We'll show you some mouth-watering recipes where the veggies are virtually undetectable. Demonstrate cooking a veggie-packed lasagna or a flavorful stir-fry. Technique 5. Finally, we'll dive into the world of homemade popsicles and smoothies. These refreshing treats are perfect for sneaking in a variety of veggies, and your little one will love them. Demonstrate making a colorful and nutrient-packed popsicle or a veggie-rich smoothie. And those were just 5 of the genius ways to sneak veggies into your picky eater's diet. Trust me, they won't even realize they're eating their greens. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest parenting tips and tricks. Bye.